Hello, welcome back. This video is an assessment kind of thing where you can sharpen your knowledge. A MCQ question is given here, just read the question carefully. A 43-year-old male patient complains of abdominal pain, vomitings and presents with the habit of alcohol consumption and past history of hospitalization, and his laboratory tests were ruled out where there is increased gamma glutamyl transferase. So which of the following organ might be affected? And the options are here: A. Pancreas, B. Liver, C. Gallbladder, and D. Both B and C. So this is a sort of a clinical based question. Just you should be analyzing the question and you should apply your logical mind. So what could be the answer? And the answer is D. Both B and C. That means both the liver and the gallbladder are affected here. So we need to rule out the cause for this. So this gamma glutamyl transferase in olden days they used to call as gamma glutamyl transpeptidase. This is a sort of enzyme that has been there in liver as well as in certain organs like kidneys, heart and brain as well. Predominantly it's more concentrated in liver and gallbladder. So it has prime importance in glutathione metabolism, that is during the transfer of this gamma glutamyl groups to the amino acids. So this gamma glutamyl transferase has prime role in metabolism of the particular drugs in liver. So in case of viral hepatitis or any cirrhosis of liver, if the liver is infunctional, so this enzyme gets released into the blood. So the concentration of the levels of this enzyme will be increased in blood in case of liver damage. And the other question for you, Anichko cells are associated with which one of the following disease? A. Chronic glomerulonephritis, B. Bacterial endocarditis, C. Rheumatic fever and D. Gout. So this question seems to be from pathology. Most probably these cells are seen in histopathological sections. But what could be the answer? And the answer is C. Rheumatic fever. So what are these Anichko cells? So why they are called as Anichko cells? Because first pathologist to identify this under the histopathological sections was Nikolai Anichko. So these are nothing but enlarged macrophages that are latent within the granulomas. So granuloma is a kind of infection, it's an inflammation kind of thing where around the foreign body or around any infection, so there will be formation of this hypervascularized tissue that is known as granuloma. These granulomas are named as Askoff bodies and are seen in rheumatic heart disease. So these Anichko cells are also known as caterpillar cells. So under the microscope, the nucleus or the condensed chromatin of these cells resembles the wavy pattern of the caterpillars. Hope you people like the question format as well as the description given here. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe Dr. Dentrix. Stay tuned for more updates.